it's your girl Deiya and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be deep treating my hair with a deep treatment mask from Texture ID. Now y'all, I've been longing, alright, to try this deep treatment mask. I've heard nothing but great reviews about it. So you know your girl's looking forward to trying it, period. Y'all already know I love Texture ID styling cream, so I want to see what this mask itself is going to do. Now the mask itself is a deep treatment mask with sweet almond oil, wheat protein, and honey, and it restores strength and hydration. Now y'all already know I have type 4 hair. Not really sure if I have 4C, B, A, D, E, F, G, alright? I just know I have type 4 hair. It is thick. My curl pattern is all types of messed up, not even gonna lie. So I'm actually looking forward to get some hydration because my hair does get dry very fast. But you already know what to do. If you are not a part of deiyfam, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, follow me on all my social medias. That's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, all that hair is Deiya or Deiya hairs. Alright, it's English. Alright, it's on the screen and the link is always in that description box. So yeah, so to be honest, not even gonna lie, this mask smells just like that styling cream. And I honestly want to see the consistency. So the consistency, thick, y'all. Thick. Alright, we gonna zoom in for y'all really quickly so I can show y'all how thick this mask is. Alright you guys, so I want to give my honest review after I finish washing this out. This is a good, great, awesome, amazing mask if your hair is really dry. I feel like this is a mask that I will use weekly, especially if my hair is high porosity. It left my hair super smooth, y'all, silky smooth, definitely moisturized, and it was ultra nourishing after I washed it out. I definitely would recommend this mask to anybody who needs a really good hydrated mask during the week. As y'all can see, this mask made my curls pop, y'all. I already love that Texture ID styling cream, and I feel like this is just something else to add to my shelf, to be honest. But as y'all can see, my curls were popping after. Y'all see it. Y'all know the vibes. I love you guys, Deiya fam. See you guys in the next video. Bye.